For our next salsa move, we're going to be doing what we call fifth positions. Fifth position is a foot position where the man takes his left foot, steps behind his right foot, the lady steps behind with her right foot. We turn our body slightly on an angle, we replace our weight, and we step side. Now, I'm stepping behind with my right foot, replacing weight onto my left, the lady steps back with her right foot, replacing her weight back on the left, and we step side. So we're stepping behind, side, behind, side, behind, side, behind, side. With the hands, I can release, releasing one hand at a time. I can also keep the hands together